Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about some amazing features in SentryPC that many people don't even know that exist. If you already use SentryPC or if you thinking about to using it, you might be surprised at what it can really do. Before we begin, I want to remind you to please check the description below this video. You will find a special link there along with the latest price and any offer available right now. Sometimes there are discounts, so don't forget to check that out after finishing this video. Alright, so let's get started. Now, when people think of SentryPC, they usually think of simple employee monitoring, like tracking websites or checking a screenshot, but it is more than just that. SentryPC has some hidden and less known tools that can be really useful if you take the time to use them. One very interesting feature is the real-time activity tracking. This means you can see what your employee or user is doing at the exact moment. You don't need to wait for reports or a screenshot. You can log in and view activity live from your dashboard. This is very helpful if you need quick action or want to check on someone right away. Next, many people don't know about content filtering feature. With this, you can block websites, apps, or even keywords. So if you don't want your staff or your child to visit a certain kind of site like adult or social media, you can block it completely. You can also block games, chat apps, and anything else that wastes time. It's simple to set up and works automatically. Another feature that's really powerful is time management or time scheduling feature. You can decide how many hours a user can use the device daily or how long they can use a specific app. For example, you can allow YouTube only for 30 minutes a day. This is very useful for both office use and parental control. It helps manage time and keeps people focused. Now let's talk about something called keystroke type or keystroke logging. This feature records what is being typed on the keyboard. So if someone is writing messages, emails, or anything else, you can read it later. It is very helpful for investigating behavior or checking for risky communication. And finally, one feature many people miss is the automatic screenshot captures. You can set SentryPC to take a screenshot every few minutes or at a random time. This gives you a clear picture of what's happening on the screen during the day. And because it's random, users wouldn't know when it's coming. So it is a smart way to make sure work is being done. These are some of the hidden but very useful features of SentryPC. If you already use it, try exploring these options in your dashboard. And if you have not tried yet, I suggest you do. Again, please check the description below for the special link and the latest price. So thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you to learn something new, please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.